What we built with Abra is kind of the missing feature of Shopify, in my opinion. You know about discounts. So here, we're going to use an example. I'm doing a 15% off on all the socks on this fictional site. I don't sell socks on my beef jerky store. But for clarity, we'll do socks here. So, if you're using Seguno, you can get this shareable link, this discount URL. And if you click on this, when somebody gets to checkout, and if they remember this code throughout, they'll have the discounts applied. But, the problem is, like, if I'm grabbing this code, I'm going to the website, I got to see, oh, what was this applied on? Was it shirts or socks? And it's like, okay, cool, it's a sock. I'm going to add it to a cart. I'm going to get to checkout. And I got to remember to kind of add it. So what we found is that if you improve the buyer experience for a discount, somewhat unsurprisingly, more people will use it. So what we do, and I'll use an example here. So this is, for example, of the magic link. So what's going to happen if I click on this? Imagine this came through my email. A pop-up is going to show up at the bottom. It says, your discount's been applied. Save 15% off on all our socks. And you'll also notice in the collection page here, all the socks are discounted. So they're already been marked down at the 15%, which is what the discount says. And then when I click on it, we say again, you are saving 15% off with the code socks. And when I add it to cart, you will see the price is updated right there in the cart. And when you get to checkout, you see the socks 15 again there. So quite simply, that's kind of what we do. So with the integration with Seguno, anytime you add a discount to your Seguno email and you have the Abra connection, we will turn any discount into a magic link, which will auto apply every discount. And again, this is something that I tested in my own store first, and we saw an increase of click to conversion rate going from about 10% to about 20 to 25%. And we have merchants that are using this that have big product catalogs, and they've seen their we work with a brand based in Portugal that sells deodorants and soaps and natural kind of products. And they increased the average order size by 47%. So it's something that, it's not a secret what we're doing here. We're just showing the buyer what we said we were going to do for them. And unsurprisingly, that helps more people get to checkout. So that's kind of how it works. And the way it works is you create magic links within Abra. So you'll see here, I've just selected that socks 15 discount we talked about. We inherit all the logic from Shopify. You just do that once. And then we have these sections that you can just set up. And all of that happens through app embeds. There's no kind of fiddling with the store once you have it set up. Again, I think Brian's going to take us through what the integration looks like, but wanted to say, if anyone would like to try this, we are extending our 14-day free trial to 30 days for anyone using Seguno. So you get to use it for free for Black Friday. If you do install the app, you'll probably hear from me if you need help setting it up. So yeah, thank you very much.
Awesome. Thank you, Daniel. I can't let you go yet, though. Actually, I have a couple questions that came through. So let's see if we can chat through a couple of these. So one of the questions was just kind of clarifying the difference between Abra discounts and automatic discounts, and what is the difference in that customer experience?
Yes. So Shopify automatic discounts, you can have one automatic discount set up on your shop at any given time, and it updates the prices on the product page, collection page, cart, and then checkout. The experience is quite similar. The one thing we do differently than the automatic discounts is we give you more places to communicate that the discount's applied. And we found that is quite important for increasing conversion rate. But I would say the main reason merchants use us, very often we work with merchants that don't like people to know that their products are discounted. So with our experience, you could have 5 or 6 or 10 or hundreds of different magic links active at any given time that you give to different merchants. So our experience actually only works if you are clicking through that link. We like to think about ourselves as a discounting tool for merchants that don't like to discount.
As part of the partnership here with Daniel and with Abra, we actually have just released a new connection directly for Abra. So those magic links are going to work in all of your Seguno emails. And that's what I am going to show off for you here real quick. So again, Abra auto applied discounts. You can find it directly in the Shopify App Store. So you can just search for Abra auto applied discount in the Shopify App Store, and then go ahead and install right there. Send them a message about the trial. But on the Seguno side of things, really the integration is so smooth that I actually had to ask a couple times with engineering, hey, did I get that right? Is that all that we need to do? So if you all are familiar with the connections tab here, right on the dashboard, we can go in there and you're going to see this new Abra auto applied discounts connection. So we'll click right into that one. We'll give you a link where you can actually go over to the app listing, a couple of clarifications to go along with that. And then let me 1 second. And then we're just going to have a big green connect button directly in there. When you click connect, that is the whole thing. Seguno is now ready to support your Abra Magic links. And then it's really just about identifying which discounts you're going to use in your Seguno email that you want to provide the Abra experience with. So over in Abra, we're just going to go ahead and in this example, we're going to link this up with our welcome automation. So what I have here is my welcome 15 discount. All I needed to do to create that magic link was come through, select that discount, and then it's going to go ahead and give me the opportunity to customize that storefront banner that you're mentioning there. You can edit your colors, of course, everything that Daniel will guide you through on the call with the initial setup. And then that's it. Once we've told Abra to expect that link, then really what we're doing is just going back and linking that same discount over in the automation. So I'll come back into my welcome automation. I'll go through and I'm going to make sure that that welcome 15, that same discount that I put over in Abra, is directly available in the automation. So even though we said, hey, we're sending welcome 15, I can actually use the unique codes for each recipient. And then when I dive into my inbox, which is not nearly as neat and tidy as Kestrel's, we're going to have that automatic or that unique discount ready for us. So here I am, I've signed up, I've received the welcome automation after I've enabled the Abra connection. And you can see that, hey, I've got my discount code right here. I'm actually just going to click on the button to take me right to the site. And awesome, my discount has been applied directly through there. And it's going to remind the shopper that, hey, your discount from the email is automatically applied. If you want to call out additional details, you can have it there. If you've got the products pages, everything else that the app offers. Again, really trying to make that experience as smooth and focused as going from the email to the conversion. And if, I mean, you said increase from 10% to 20%, I'll take an extra 10% conversion rate, especially this time of year.